We've been working on this for over a year because we knew that we really wanted to celebrate 40 years of feminist teaching, research, and activism on the UO campus. The first day is the premiere of a documentary by documentary makers Gabriela Martinez and Sonia de la Cruz, both in the School of Journalism and Communication. The documentary about the founding of CSWS and the sort of history of the Department of Women's and Gender Studies and the ASUO Women's Center 40 years ago in the activism of groups of women on the UO campus. It also tells the story of the gift that endowed CSWS. The next day is a full-day symposium that's organized around 4 decades of feminist research and activism. So we'll have panels in the morning on the 1970s and the 1980s, in the afternoon on the 1990s and the aughts. And we're bringing in former grantees, we're bringing in scholars from UO and from the community to talk about those changes. That evening, Ursula Le Guin speaks at a keynote. The second day in the science fiction symposium kind of grow out of 2 things. One is UO is home to these incredible holdings of feminist science fiction. So we have Ursula Le Guin's papers and special collections. We have Kate Wilhelm, who's also a very well-known science fiction and mystery author who lives in Eugene. And as a steward of the endowment, we wanted to take this opportunity to really just celebrate this incredible resource. What was so exciting about the airport exhibit was featuring these 3 stories about research that the center has funded and scholars at the center has supported. One of them, of course, is Gabriela Martinez, who's the Associate Director of the Center for the Study of Women in Society. And the exhibit at the airport focuses on the work that she's done on gender and social movements. The other 2 are former grantees. One is Shannon Bell, whose research is on environmental activism. The third part of that exhibit is Charlie Carpenter, who's a political science PhD graduate student. In a way, the Science Fiction Symposium is a way of honoring our relationship with special collections. It's also named after Robert D. Clark, who is the president who oversaw the gift. So it's this kind of neat way of honoring some of the connections that brought the center into being.